Meaning of Karl Popper.
Karl Popper.
Karl Popper.
Karl Popper.
Karl Popper. Karl Popper was an Austrian-British philosopher and professor. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest philosophers of science of the 20th century. Popper is best known for his work on scientific methodology, particularly his critique of the inductivist approach to science. He proposed that scientific theories can never be verified, only falsified by empirical evidence, and that scientific knowledge is always provisional and subject to revision in light of new evidence. Popper also advocated for an open society, where individual freedom, democracy, and critical thinking are valued and promoted.